Hello everyone. Um, Today I have this Sony Walkman. It's from the I think 90s. From the this design I think from the late 90s, maybe 97 that year, 98, 97, 98. You can see there's two battery, and this is a model number. Alright, and here is a DC adapter, 3 volt, and headphone jack is here, green, and this is for the AVIS, limit the volume. This is a tuner, radio frequency, and this is the volume. That is not digital, I like that one. And this is a key for two separate function. In the radio, switch between the normal and the standard, and for the tape, switch between the normal tape and metal tape. And yeah, that's it. There is no, here is a, and this tape selector between the radio and tape key switch, AM, FM. And this is a function that megabus that most of the Sony Walkman late, and disc player. You can see this button. And okay, now this is doesn't power up, nothing. Cassette and radio doesn't work. When we open here, there is some rust here, as you can see. There is some rust here, and inside is dirty. That means this rust means this before it's leaked, it suffered from the leaky battery. I don't know how much is the damage. Maybe someone cleaned before. Anyway, this is a 2 rechargeable battery. I charged both of them fully. And you can see this 140. Here this battery too. Maybe you can use this. Okay, now let's take this battery. There's nothing. Switching the tape. Unfortunately, this doesn't have any light that indicate the radio is working or not, but I have here this cheap headphone. Now I push to the radio. Yeah, absolutely nothing. Just for make sure. Put this regular battery. Doesn't work. Okay, I think this has a problem. Okay, for this we need to open. Looks like someone before tried to open this. Yeah, this previously looks like opened. Um, yeah, there's some clip inside. You need to push that. Yeah. Okay, this is a mechanism. see this capstan pulley is plastic. Everything is plastic except this capstan shaft. See, everything is plastic. Very this late 90s, everything is cheap built. Yeah. Yeah, you can see this definitely before leaked, and they cleaned here. Still there's some leakage here. This flex cable is on this for this mega base function. And this is a DC, this is a jack. I think the belt is maybe changed, in good shape. This capacitor is not that notorious to leak one, that surface mounted one electrolyte capacitor. This type is good one. I don't see any leakage here. I think the problem is okay, let's oh, it's working, see? See this? Yeah, definitely problem from here. The problem is not good contact. Yeah, there's see some oxidation here. I show you. See the screen. Screen stuff. We need to clean that, I think. Because of that, there is no good contact between the battery. Let I clean this. Some people use cleaning with the vinegar. again. Yeah, when I'm touching here, definitely a problem here. Yeah, there's no good contact here. I think this, it wasn't in the place. Now let's try again. It's working. Okay, I have some vinyl here. Yeah, this Q-tip. This is a vinegar. This vinegar itself causing the rust if used on the bare metal, not rusted metal. That's why now it's better after finishing, it's cleaned. Okay. Now let's try again. This is a commercially recorded tape. As you can see, this tape is working. Let me bring the maybe you use this tape. See, it's working. And this is the mechanism. Now end of the tape. This is, yep. See, end of the tape. Yeah. It works now. The sound is coming. I don't have the unfortunately speaker to show you, but it works. Yeah, looks like the problem was here in this contact. As you can see how the Sony could make small this compact, but compared to the early models 80s, they used a lot of plastic here. As you can, this capstan pull is all plastic, and this part is but again it's still working. Looks like this is a heavily used before. As you can see, this is a script out here, fade out, this rubbed somewhere, a lot of scratch here. Okay, thank you for watching. If I show you the how now this playing, and now this playing now this fast forward, and this rewind.